A warm welcome to everyone. You cannot always control what goes on outside, but you can control what goes on inside. Wish you a very happy International Yoga Day. Yoga is the gateway of happiness that body needs in daily life. What is yoga? Yoga is a combination of physical, mental, and spiritual practices which originated in ancient India. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to join or to unite. This joining is described in spiritual terms as the union of body and mind. Did you know? When was the first International Yoga Day celebrated? The International Yoga Day has been celebrated annually on 21st June since 2015. The idea of an International Yoga Day was first proposed by current Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, during his speech at the United Nations General Assembly. On June 21, 2015, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with nearly 36,000 people and many political figures from all around the world, performed 21 asanas for 35 minutes in New Delhi. That was the first International Yoga Day, and the day has been celebrated around the globe ever since. Did you know who is the father of modern yoga? Ancient Indian sage Patanjali is thought to be the father of modern yoga because he is the person who codified all the aspects of yoga into a certain format and introduced Yoga Sutras. Logo for International Yoga Day. The logo for International Yoga Day was launched by External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj and Minister of State for Ayush Shripad Yesho Naik. The joining of both the hands symbolizes the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness. This symbolizes a perfect harmony between the body, mind, and the soul, which is the ultimate aim of any yogi. The brown leaves symbolize the earth element. The green leaves symbolize the nature. Blue symbolizes the water element. Brightness symbolizes the fire element. And the sun symbolizes the source of energy and inspiration. Behind the human figure, a picture of the globe can be seen, which symbolizes the oneness. Below the logo, the words Yoga for Harmony and Peace are inscribed, which is believed to be the essence of yoga. The logo was selected through an open contest to increase participation from all sections of the society. Did you know why is International Yoga Day celebrated on June 21st? June 21st is the longest day of the year, with the sun rising early and setting late for the northern hemisphere. The summer solstice is also considered as an important day in Indian mythology as it marks an event that could be considered the start of yogic science. The day is celebrated to promote yoga for the health, benefits on the global level. Let's see the benefits of yoga. Yoga helps to relieve mental stress. It improves our immune system and it helps us to sleep better. And it improves blood circulation in our body. Yoga aids in weight loss and it increases our energy level. Yoga reduces the risk of heart disease. Surya Namaskar is a complete yoga workout with benefits to every part of the body. Yoga plays a significant role during the COVID-19 crisis because yoga helps in boosting our immunity level. Also, yoga helps us to build a strong physical, mental, and spiritual health system. Yoga also teaches to regulate our breath, which can make a person feel relaxed and at peace. Every year, we celebrate International Yoga Day according to a theme. So this year, the theme of International Yoga Day is Be with Yoga, Be at Home. This year's theme shares a message that during COVID-19, people must stay home with family and should do yoga regularly. So friends, on the occasion of International Yoga Day, let us promise that we ourselves will do yoga daily and also inspire others to include yoga in their daily routine. Sharing is caring. Let's share this video. Yoga is a light which once lit will never dim. The better your practice, the brighter your flame. Once again, happy International Yoga Day to all. Thank you.